Octal.
Okay. Binary to octal. Yesterday we read
Octal.
binary to octal. How many bits were required for octal number system? Octal number system लाई हामीले कतिवटा bit को use गरेको थियो त in binary? We used 3 bits, right? Yesterday हामीले कतिवटा को group मा
Sir.
3 bits, right? Okay. First of all, while reading from hexa to binary or binary to hexadecimal, first of all we have to know their digits. Okay. So I write here digits, or I can simply write digit table. Then what I do for hexa, and here I'll write for binary. For binary, okay, see this carefully. For binary, I will need 4 bits. 1 bit, right? 2 bit, 3 bit, and 4 bit. हेक्साडेसिमल को एउटा मात्र हुन्छ. So binary digits, okay. Now see here, starting from here, we always start our digits from what? Which number do we start our digits from? 0.
0.
Yes, 0, then followed by 1, 2. हेक्साडेसिमल को के हुन्छ है, हेर्दै जाने. For hexadecimal, 0 to 1, then up to 9 only, right? 9 सम्म हुन्छ. 9 पछि के हुन्छ? Capital A, after that capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and capital E. These are the digits of hexadecimal number system. And for your convenience, you can write in the side A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, right? And up to E सम्म हुन्छ त, F सम्म हुन्छ. Then let me make it to the center. Okay, now you know this system, right? For first digit or first bit, how many zeros? First bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. For first bit we start from only 1 0. What for second bit ko lagi? For second bit, how many zeros do we need?
2.
2 zeros. Very good. 2 zeros followed by 2 1.
1.
And for the third bit, how many zeros do we need?
3.
No, 2 2 जा कति हुन्छ? यो 1 थियो, 1 2 जा 2 2 जा 4. Now we will read 4 zeros.
4.
Yes, very good. We will need 4 zeros and followed by 4 ones.
1.
Yes. This one is 4, right? What will be 4 2 za? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then for the fourth bit, we'll need how many zeros? 8 zeros, right? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0, and followed by 8 ones. Yes. Now what do we do for remaining? हामीले remaining को लागि के गर्छ त? We just copy them, repeat गर्छ, right? For remaining we just repeat, right? Here 4 zeros, 4 1, 4 0, 4 ones. Very simple. So for your convenience, I will make everything center aligned. Okay. Now this is the digit table. Copy this or take screenshot for 5 minutes. 5 minutes को लागि के गर्नुस्? Either take screenshot, right? Either take screenshot or just what you can do is you can copy this in 5 minutes. You know the idea. Idea के हो भने नि, यहाँ हेर त, यो जुन नम्बर छ नि हाम्रो, यो 1 देखि you can write from 0 to 9. तिमीहरुलाई 0 देखि 9 सम्म पनि लेख्नु आउँछ. You can write from A to F also. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. Now for this thing 1 0 1 एउटा 1 1 0 एउटा 1 एउटा 0 एउटा 1 एउटा 0 एउटा 1 for the first beat. For second beat दुईटा 0 दुईटा 1 दुईटा 0 दुईटा 1 and so on. अनि यो 1 भयो. त्यसपछि के गर्छौं हामीले 1 लाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं, right? And after we will multiply by 2. When we multiply 2 by 2 we get 4. So 4 वटा 0 4 वटा 1. Same way now 4 लाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने फेरि then we get 8 zeros 8 1 अब फिफ्थ बिटमा के हुन्छ त you already have done 8 अब 8 लाई चाहिँ 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा के हुन्छ what do we get while you multiply 8 by 2 you will get 16 so fifth bit को कुरा आयो भने there will be 16 zeros 16 1 32 zeros 32 1 64 zeros 64 ones त्यसरी नै it will be moving on but you don't need all those bits here so what you do we will need for hexadecimal only 4 bits हामीलाई hexadecimal लाई कति bit चाहिन्छ त we will need only 4 bits okay what you do you copy this thing for 5 minutes exactly 5 minutes I will either you can take screenshot or copy in 5 minutes okay I'll be back in 5 minutes
sir.
okay
Okay, sir.
okay Okay, did you copy? Now let's see how are the questions asked. You initiate गर्ने काम नगर्नु है. Okay, let's see how are the questions asked in exam. There are two types of question. Okay, there are two types of question like this. Convert this, you will be asked in this manner: T A B 8, okay, to something, to bracket question mark. I'll complete this, don't worry. And another question will be in this manner: 1001000 like this, and convert these to this system. Okay, let me draw over here. यहाँनिर के लेखा हुन्छ? Here it will be written 16. Okay, 16 मा अनि यसलाई चाहिँ बाइनरी मा कन्भर्ट गर्ने. यो बाइनरी मा छ, यसलाई के मा कन्भर्ट गर्ने त? Decimal number system. So you will be asked this type of questions. See, DAB8 is in hexadecimal and you have to convert it into binary. And another type of question will be convert given binary number into hexadecimal number system. So let's see how we do this with the help of tables we just created. Okay, see here. Now let me clear this and I'll take different examples. First of all, we will be converting. Okay, so let's see how to convert binary hexadecimal to binary. Okay, this is called conversion. Okay, the questions will be like this. So you will be given questions like, okay, dad, and this dad is a hexadecimal number. Your dad say hexadecimal number system ma पर्छ. And these things are a bit सुन्दाखेरि पनि वर्ड जस्तो सुनिन्छ नि त, त्यही भएर बीए बीए बाबा यस्तो यस्तो क्वेशन्सहरु आइराको हुन्छ. Let's convert this both dad and baba into hexadecimal number system. This one is very simple. Okay, यो टेबल तिमीहरुले बनाइसकेपछि this one is very simple. Now from this table, what is the value of D? Whenever we are doing from hexadecimal to binary decimal system conversion, we always start from the front. So what is the value of this D in this table? Your D को चाहिँ हाम्रो टेबलमा what is the value? So please 1101. And what is the value of A? Our D पछि के छ त?
101.
Right?
101.
010, and we already know for D it is 1101. So this is the answer. Simple. हेक्साडेसिमल मा कन्भर्ट गर्नु भन्दा एकदमै सजिलो हुन्छ हेक्साडेसिमल बाट केमा कन्भर्ट गर्न त बाइनरी मा कन्भर्ट गर्न, बिकज यु जस्ट नीड टु नो दिस टेबल. यो टेबल पनि के गर्ने, एक्जाममा जाने बित्तिकै और व्हेनेभर यु आर इन एक्जाम सुरुमै यो टेबल बनाइहाल्ने, 4 बिट सिस्टम बनाइहाल्ने. अनि यो 4 बिट सिस्टममा एउटा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा के छ थाहा छ तिमीहरुलाई? यति 4 बिट सिस्टमको टेबल बनायो भने नाउ लेट okay, I'll do this thing. See here, this much. I'll color this differently. Hey, यसलाई मैले अलि लाइट कलरमा कलर गरे भने this much. यो के हो त? This much is for octal number system. हेर त, this one, यो this one is octal. यति यो तिमीहरुले बनायो भने up to here it is octal number system table already. जस्तो for octal system 000, for 1001 भनेको यो 4 बिट सिस्टम को बनायो भने तिमीहरुको डेसिमल टु octal, octal टु बाइनरी, बाइनरी टु octal, हेक्साडेसिमल टु बाइनरी अनि बाइनरी टु हेक्साडेसिमल, यो चारवटा क्वेशनको एउटैमा आन्सर हुन्छ. ओके, Now moving on, Safalta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the value of B? B को value क्या?
1011.
What is the value of B?
1011.
1011. Okay, for A we have already written in above also. What is the value of A from the table?
1010.
1010. And again for B it is 1011, and for A it's 1010. So this is the answer for converting from hexadecimal to binary. Okay, copy this for 2 minutes.
So already complete.
Okay, you have
Already copy.
BAD also done, BABA also done.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, let me take the screenshot of this so that, okay. Then now I'll be converting this binary to hexadecimal. We started from front to back in hexadecimal to binary. From in binary we'll start from back to front. Okay, this one is also very simple, like we did in last class. I'll be writing one number randomly, 10 combination of ones and zeros, so I get this number. Okay, now what I have to do at first is I have to group them into 4 bits. In a hexadecimal 4 bits, I have to group them in 4 bits. Now let me group from the behind. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now 1 2 3 and 4, and last ma jati bhaye pani we don't mind. Okay, last ma jati suke hos we don't mind. So now from this table what we have to do is we have to just write the values of these things. Now what is the value of 101 from the table? 101 means 0101. 5. What is the value?
5.
Very good. And what is the value of 0101? Same thing. 0101 को value के हुन्छ त 5 हुन्छ,
5.
right? From the
5.
and what is the value of 1101? See, 1101 is D. 1101 is D. अब के लेख्ने हामीले यहाँ D लेख्ने, and then 0101 is 5, right? 0101 is 5. के भयो त हाम्रो answer? Our answer is 55D5. When we convert the given binary digit into hexadecimal, we get 55D5.
D5.
The answer. And let us try one more. Now let us try this number. 1111001001 0011010. Okay, this is a random number, random binary number. Let's see what answer do we get. So first of all, we will group from the last. We'll group from the last. Okay, now grouping from the last, what we get is this number. 4 digit like group गर्ने, 4 digit like group गर्ने, 4 digit like group गर्ने, and we are grouping the 4 digits. Okay, from the table, what is the value of 1111?
F.
F. Very good. The value of 1111 is F. What is the value of 0011?
3.
3.
Very good. 3. Then 0001 is
1.
1, and 1011 is 1010 is
A.
A. Very good. Then our binary is converted to F31A. F31A hexadecimal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take this screenshot.